is onto function here. A function f(a) tending to b is said to be an onto function if codomain is equal to range. This is the easiest way to understand. The most of the text use this definition. If a function f(a) tending to b is said to be onto or surjective function if every element of b has at least one pre-image in A. What is the meaning of this? Suppose you have a function, okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now I said 1 is mapped to 4, 3 is mapped to 5, 2 is mapped to 6. Is this 1 function? Is this 1 function? 1 function? Is 1 function. And you can see one more thing. Can you tell me what is the codomain of this function? What is the codomain? Suppose this is A and this is B. Codomain is B. So what do you have here? 4, 5, 6. What is the range of the function? Range. Range means which have the image. So elements 4, 5, 6. The range is also how much here? Range is equal to 4, 5, 6. It means in this case, range is equal to codomain. So this function is onto function. This function is 1, 1. This function is onto. So this is also called as bijective. I will explain next. Okay. So here this is called as onto function. Okay. If I say now I take 7 here. If I take 7 there. Now if I take 7 there, I will take separate now. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 map to 4, 2 map to 6 suppose. Now A to B is the function. Now what is the codomain? 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the range? 4, 6. So codomain is not equal to range. So this is not onto function. That is the difference between onto and this one. Understood? The function which is not onto, that is called as into. Into function. What is into function? If codomain is subset to, sorry, range is subset to. Range, range. What is the range here? 4, 6. If range is subset to codomain, then it is called as into function. It is called as what function? Into function. Onto function, into function. Okay. Onto function is what? Means range is equal to codomain. If range is equal to codomain, that is called onto function. If range is equal to subset to codomain, that is called as into function. Understood? Understood meaning? Is it clear? Everyone? Sure. And what is the meaning of this one? Second definition. What is the definition meaning here? Second definition say that if f(a) tends to b is called onto or surjective function if every element of B has a pre-image in A. See that 4 pre-image is 1, 5 pre-image is 3, 6 pre-image is 2. Every element of codomain has at least one pre-image. Now here it comes here, 4 pre-image is 1, 6 pre-image is 2. Now see that 5 there is no pre-image. So every element of B have at least one pre-image, but here 5 and 7 does not have pre-images. So that is the meaning of that. Suppose if I take like this 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Is this a onto function? Is it into function? Into function, not onto function. Reason is 6 don't have any pre-images. Now my one more question is, now this is the onto function. Is it the onto function? Onto function. Now tell me, is it 1 function? No, not 1 function. 1 function condition is what? Different elements have different images. Different elements have different images. So this is not 1, but it is onto. This is 1, and onto both. This is 1, 1. Is this 1, 1? Yeah, it is 1, 1. But it is onto? No, 1, 1 and into. That's understood now. And there is one more is there. that is many to 1. Okay, I told 1 1, but many to 1 I did not say. I'll explain that. Please note down this. So here if you see there, in this case what you have observed, number of A is equal to number of B. Number of A is equal to number of B. In this case, no. Is this 1 1 onto function? No. So you cannot see this. In this case what you are seeing, number of A is less than number of B. The number of B is more. Right. In this case, is this 1 1? Sorry, it is onto. Is this onto? Now number of A is what happened here. Number of A is greater than or equal to number of A greater than number of B. This case is number of A greater than number of B. This case is number of A is equal to number of B. So onto functions when it is happens, if number of A greater than or equal to number of B. If number of A greater than or equal to number of B, onto function possible. If number of A less than number of B, then not possible, no? Number of A greater than or equal to number of B, write down. The condition for a function f(a) tending to B is subjective if number of A greater than or equal to number of B. The condition for a function is said to be onto number of A is greater than or equal to number of B. The condition for function is said to be onto if number of A greater than or equal to number of B. Right? So number of onto functions rule. Okay. Number of A is n, number of B is 2. Number of onto function formula 2 to the power of n minus 2. This is already previous year asked question. Okay, JEE में पूछा है. ठीक है. Now number of A is r, number of B is n. If n greater than or equal to 2, then the formula is this: n to the power of r, n to the power of r minus nc1, n minus 1 to the power of r, n minus 2. So and so this is the formula. You can use how much it is there till that time. Okay, if number of A less than number of B, there is no onto function. Are you understanding this? Suppose like 1 1 function, what is the formula? Suppose you have, the meaning I want to tell you, if A, B you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A to B, how many 1 1 functions happens? Like means I can do 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Like 1 1 function, this is one way. Or I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can do 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4. Like we can make different. So for 1 1 function, what is the formula? NPR. And formula is what? NPR. Likewise onto functions also, this is the formula. Now how many 1 1 functions are possible with these elements, like with these sets? How many onto functions are possible? How many functions are possible formula? Suppose number of A is r, number of B is n, number of functions n power r. N power r is the number of functions. See, total functions you are subtracting this, right? Right. Okay. So two elements. This is the easiest formula. Okay, 2 elements based. Okay, understood the formulas? Note down. So this concept about many to one functions. Many to one function means a function is not 1 1. It's called many to one. The function which is not 1 1, that is called as many to one. Oh, okay, you know that if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, this implies x1 is equal to x2 1 1. But in this case, x1 will not be equal to x2. Okay, and then is number of A is r, number of B is n, number of functions formula n power r, and number of 1 1 functions npr. Number of many to one functions n power r minus npr. Okay, these are the formulas. So here see, this topic is most important topic. 1 1, onto, inverse, next composite. I'll explain more detail. I'll take more lectures on this. Okay, don't think like that I am going to stop this, because it's very important topic. I know how much importance I need to give with this. Okay, but in future I will give more importance, but your exams are coming now, so shortly I am revising now. See, for example, let us take a function here to make you understand what is many to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Suppose 1 has the image 5, 2 as 5, 3 as 5, 4 as 6. Now here many to 1. Understood? This is many to 1. So this is called many to 1 function. More example. Is this a function? It is a function. Okay. It is a function. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 4, 4, 5. Sorry, 3, 5, 4, 5. Is this a many to 1 function? many to 1. अब देखो है ना, एक को है ना, दो भी एक का इमेज आ गया तो वह many to 1 है. Understood? At least 2 of them has same, then it is many to 1 only. The function which is not 1, 1, all are many to 1. You just see that it is a 1, 1 or not. If it is 1, 1, okay, 1, 1. If not 1, 1, many to 1. In that many categories are coming later. But many to 1 is identifying like this. Clear? Right. Copy. If a function is monotonically increasing or decreasing, monotonical function means if a function is increasing continuously or decreasing, that is called as monotonically increasing, decreasing. So if a function is continuously increasing and decreasing, that is called as 1, 1 function. I told you log graph. I told you log. It's monotonically increasing or monotonically decreasing. So when a function is monotonically increasing, decreasing, this difference depends on dy by dx. If dy by dx, you get a positive in the given domain, means whatever the values they give x, for that x, for the domain function, dy by dx you get for the given domain positive, then it is increasing function. If it is dy by dx you get negative, then it is decreasing function. In the given interval, you are getting decreasing and increasing, then it is a curve. It's not monotonically increasing and decreasing. What I want to say here, for suppose you have like this, a function is like this, a function is like this. At this particular part, you can say that here is the point, and if you draw a tangent here, and this is the tangent, theta, it happens. This is positive here. And if I take a line and I draw on here, tangent, and this is more than 90 degrees, it is a negative angle. Slope is here negative, slope is here positive. Dy by dx means slope. If dy by dx is positive, it's increasing. See, this is increasing. Dy by dx is negative and it is decreasing. If happen in one function increasing and decreasing, if it happen in increasing and decreasing both the things, then that function is not 1, 1. Okay, that is not a 1, 1 function. If you are doing given function, you are doing differentiation of that, and it is you are getting positive for the given domain, whatever the domain they give. For the given domain, if it is, you can see continuously increasing or continuously decreasing, it is, that is monotonical function. Such functions are called 1, 1 function. See, to test 1, 1 function, I told you one, that is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies x1 is equal to x2. This is one test. Another test is what? You draw a graph of any function. You draw the graph of any function like you draw the graph of any function like sin x, no. Chalo. Draw any graph of any function. What function? Exponential function. Okay. In this, if I draw a line parallel to x-axis, it is cutting only one point. So it is 1, 1 function. If I take a sin x function, And if I draw a line parallel to x-axis, it is cutting many places. So it is not one function. Right? This is the test 1. Graph is the test 2. dy by dx is the test 3. So test 1, 2, 3. According to the question, you can pick up anything. All will give the result. Sometimes by seeing the question, we feel this is easier. Sometimes by seeing the question, we feel this will be easy. Sometimes by seeing the question, we can do this way. Any method can be the result is same. Because in JEE they will ask you, because they will give you a question and down options will be there, 1, 1, on 2, like options will be there. So you want to know that, so you should know these all 3 methods. If you want to know a given function is 1, 1 or not, so we can use these 3 tests. Understood? Clear?